Hello students, today we will proceed with unit 1.3, the poem In Time of Silver Rain, written by Langston Hughes. So before we begin with this poem, we will have a small introduction. Okay. In India, we have 3 seasons. What are they? They are summer, rainy season and winter. How is summer? Summer is very hot. We sweat a lot. We are not allowed to go out and play. Why? Because the sun is very cruel to us. We feel like drinking cold drinks and we eat ice creams. We feel always thirsty, so we drink lots of water. Then we start waiting for the rains to come. Why? Because the heat is so much, and if rains come, we feel the heat will go out soon. Rains make the place cool. That is why we like rainy season. And what do we get to see during rainy season? Anything special? Yes. You come out with your new colorful umbrellas. You float your paper boats in the puddles. All that small water puddles around your house, near your house. You love to eat hot samosas and bhajiyas. You see snails and earthworms. You get to see the beautiful rainbow. Okay. You also get to see something new and nice. Now what is that new and nice? You see the small green grass that grows and the beautiful flowers that come out of the earth and grow. How is winter? We feel cold and chill. We tend to wear our sweaters and shawls and blankets to keep us warm. Okay, then here in this poem, we are going to learn something different about the seasons in America, because this poem is written by an Afro-American poet. Now, who is an Afro-American poet? The poet who has come from Africa and he has settled down in America. So that is why we call him as an Afro-American poet. And in America, they have 4 different seasons. What are they? It is winter, spring, summer and autumn. Okay. And for them, spring is a season that brings in new plants, new flowers, buds and blossoms after a very long ice cold winter. Okay. Half of the America is covered with ice during winter. So through ice, can we imagine any buds and blossoms, small plants or flowers peeping or creeping out? No. Okay. So for them, spring is the time of happiness and hope, which gives them happiness every time. And in this poem, this Afro-American poet Langston Hughes tells about new life that comes on earth, that begins on earth, that changes, the changes that this brings on the landscape or on the areas around us, the way in which the butterfly flaps its wings and flies about, how the new leaves come out of the trees, and so beautiful the sky is, and the leaves coming out of the trees look as if they are singing, and even the little boys and girls, they are singing and walking on the road when there is rain. Okay, the spring comes with rain, and with rain comes all these beautiful greenery around, buds and blossoms around. Okay, so now we will go ahead with the explanation of the poem. Before we begin with the explanation of the poem, children, I will recite the poetry for you. We will recite the poem. We'll go ahead with the recitation of the poem. In Time of Silver Rain by Langston Hughes. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterflies lift silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadway passing, boys and girls go singing too, in time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. In the first stanza, the poet says that when it rains, the earth gives birth to new forms of life. What is this new forms of life? The tiny green grass and the lovely small flowers that peep out of the grasses. Can you visualize, children? Can you imagine how beautiful it will be? There will be small green grass which will look like carpet around you, and the small beautiful multicolored flowers that keep peeping out. It is all green around us, and the beautiful flowers in many colors are trying to show themselves to us. How enchanting, mesmerizing, and wonderful the scene will be. Okay, so all these are the lives that have come new on the earth. Then the poet continues to explain the other sights we get to see during rains. He says that we may notice butterflies fluttering in the hope of seeing a rainbow, because with rain coming and the sun rays, we really expect to see rainbows. So why do the butterflies flutter their wings? Because they feel they can fly and get to see the beautiful rainbow. We may also see new leaves that are coming on the trees below the sky. And how are the leaves? When the leaves tend to come out of the trees, it looks as if they are singing happily. Okay, and why are they singing happily? Because they get to enjoy the spring rains. Okay, spring showers. So they are very happy, and it looks as if they are singing. He also introduces a small boy and a girl who are walking very happily on the road enjoying the rain. So there are so many things that are happening. We are able to see the small grass that is coming out. We are seeing small multicolored flowers that are coming out. We are able to see the butterflies that are flapping their silken wings, the wings that look like silk. And why are they flapping their wings? They are waiting to see a rainbow. We are able to see the small leaves coming out of the tree singing. Below the sky, we are able to see small children who come out playing on the road under the rains. So when spring comes, the poet says with spring coming and the rains during spring, they are able to see everything that is very new that is happening, and which is very lively, which is full of life, and which is quite enjoyable. So with this, we are coming to the close of this poem, explanation of the poem. Okay, thank you, children.